In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Xero from a CSV file. First, sign into your Xero account so you're on the main dashboard. From here, look to the top navigation and click Contacts. On the Contacts page, open All Contacts so you can see the full list and the options available for managing it. In the top right, click the three-dot menu to reveal more actions, then choose Import. This takes you to Xero's import screen. If this is your first time, click Download Template. Using Xero's template helps you avoid mapping issues because the column headers are exactly what Xero expects. Open the template in your spreadsheet app and start adding your contacts. Keep each contact on a single row, place names in the contact name column, and enter details like email addresses, phone numbers, and addresses in their matching columns. Try to keep formatting simple. Plain text works best. And don't rename or move the header row. If a field doesn't apply, leave it blank rather than deleting columns. A quick tip: make sure email addresses are valid and phone numbers don't include special characters that your spreadsheet might auto-format. When you're done, save the file as a .csv. Most spreadsheet programs have a Save As or Export option where you can choose CSV. Confirm the file name and location so you can find it easily. Head back to the Import Contacts page in Xero. Click Select File, navigate to the CSV you just saved, and choose it. Xero will begin uploading the file. Give it a moment to process. When the upload finishes, you'll see a summary of what was found. Review the uploaded file details, making sure the number of rows looks right and that the column headings align with what you expect. Click Next to move to the preview. Here, Xero shows a sample of how your contacts will be created. Scan through the preview carefully. Check that names, emails, and other details appear in the correct fields, and that there aren't any obvious formatting issues. This is your last chance to confirm everything looks accurate. If everything checks out, click Complete Import. Xero will create or update the contacts based on your CSV. When the import finishes, return to all contacts to confirm the new entries. You can scroll through, search for a few names you recognize, and spot check that details appear as intended. And that's it. You've successfully imported contacts into Xero using a CSV with a clean, reliable workflow you can reuse whenever your list grows.